Hello and welcome back. The holiday season isn't just a shopping event. It's a golden opportunity for brands to drive revenue, increase customer loyalty, and stand out in a competitive market. But how do you cut through the noise? And more importantly, how do you make sure your holiday campaigns actually converts? So, in this video, we will cover a proven holiday campaign framework from pre-holiday prep to post-season follow-up. So, step-by-step setup in Klaviyo, including segmentation, automation, and campaign timings. So, industry's best practices to maximize engagement and revenue as well. So, whether you are new to Klaviyo or looking to refine your holiday strategy, this guide will give you everything that you need to execute a high-performing campaign. So now, let's get started. So, a successfully holiday campaign isn't just about sending a single promotional email. It's about a structured approach that moves your audience through three critical phases. So, phase one is the pre-holiday. So, it's between October to early November. Then after that, you need to segment your audience and create a group based on past purchases behavior, PIP customers, or new subscribers as well. Then comes the warm-up campaigns, so you can tease upcoming deals with subject lines like something special is coming. Then after that, you have optimized deliverability, so make sure that you clean, list, remove inactive subscribers and test your email templates. And then comes the phase number two, which is the peak season, which is from the Black Friday to the mid-December, and also it maximizes the revenue. So make sure you run high impact campaigns, so flash sales, so VIP early access, and limited time offers as well. Then after that, leverage multi-channel marketing comes in which you can combine email, SMS, and retargeting ads for maximum reach. Then after that comes the abandoned cart and browse abandonment flows, so recover lost sales with automated reminders. Then after that comes the phase 3, which is last minute shoppers, so it is between mid-December to Christmas Eve. So it creates urgency and convenience. So make sure to promote express shipping and gift cards and offer that last solutions. And also you can use countdown timers, which drives urgency with order by X date or messaging. Then also comes the personalized recommendations, which showcases relevant products based on browsing history. So now that we have outlined the strategy, let's walk through how to implement this step by step in Klaviyo. So let's set up a high converting holiday campaign in Klaviyo, and here is how you do it efficiently. So step number one is creating your holiday segments. So first you need to log into Klaviyo, and once you are in the dashboard on the left hand side, you can see the option of list and segments. So simply click this and you can even create a new one, or if you don't know how to create a segment, we have created a video before on how to create a segment. So make sure that you check that video as well. So after you have created a segment, you can include engaged customers, and also you can engage and add VIP customers. So you can also add dormant subscribers as well. So these are the people who haven't purchased but are still opening emails. So segmenting allows you to personalize your messaging, ensuring higher engagement and also conversions. So step number two is setting up automated holiday flows. So make sure you prepare a plan on upcoming holidays or festivals, and also segment your audience according to that. Also, you can provide an appropriate incentives according to the holidays and festival. And after everything is done, make sure that you review, preview, and test it. And after everything is done, make sure to preview and test on the correct time and correct date as well. And after that, step number three is launching your holiday campaigns. So testing is crucial. So what works for one audience may not work for another. So optimize based on real-time data. So as you can see on the screen on the Klaviyo dashboard, here is shown the open rates, click rates, the bounce rates, unsubscribe rate, and spam compliant rates as well. So to ensure your holiday campaigns deliver the best results, keep these practices in mind. So first one is personalization is the key. So use customer names, dynamic products, recommendations, and location-based messaging. Second one is to create a sense of urgency. So use countdown timers like only X time left in stock or messaging and limited time discounts as well. The third one is optimized for mobile. 60% of emails are open on mobiles to ensure your designs are responsive and easy to navigate. Number 4 is leverage SMS for instant engagement. So combine email with SMS for last-minute promotions and other reminders. And that's a wrap. By following this strategy, you will not only increase revenue but also build long-term customer loyalty. The holiday season is a prime opportunity, and with the right execution in Klaviyo, you can maximize your results. So happy selling and happy holidays, and see you guys in the next video.